The roads in and around Imphal city have been flooded following the incessant rainfall over the past 2 to 3 days due to the absence of an adequate drainage system in the city. Daily commuters have been severely affected by the flood. People commuting along Palace Compound to New Chekon Road faced even greater hardship due to the severe flooding and bad condition of the road, highlighting the lack of infrastructure even within the capital city. The same problem was also seen at New Chekon to Porompad Road. Various unhygienic items were also seen floating at Govindaji Temple Road and Andro Parking Road due to lack of proper drainage system.